स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टाइप्स ऑफ लॉसेस इन ए ट्रांसफार्मर। देयर आर दी वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ लॉसेस इन द ट्रांसफार्मर सच एज आयरन लॉस, कॉपर लॉस, हिस्टैरिसीस लॉस, ईडी करंट लॉस, स्ट्रे लॉस एंड डाई इलेक्ट्रिक लॉस. The hysteresis loss occur because of the variation of magnetization in the core of the transformer, and copper loss occur because of transformer binding resistance. इसमें जो है हिस्टैरिसीस लॉसेस जो है वो मैग्नेटाइजेशन में वेरिएशन के कारण होता है, और कॉपर लॉस जो है वो बाइंडिंग रेजिस्टेंस के कारण होता है. There are the various types of losses. पहला आयरन लॉस, हिस्टैरिसीस लॉस, ईडी करंट लॉस, कॉपर लॉस, स्ट्रे लॉस और डाई इलेक्ट्रिक लॉस. Iron loss are caused by alternating flux in the core of the transformer. As this loss occur in the core, it is also known as core loss. यह लॉसेस जो है अल्टरनेट फ्लक्स के कारण होता है. आयरन लॉस इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, हिस्टैरिसीस एंड ईडी करंट लॉस. हिस्टैरिसीस लॉस, the core of transformer is subject to alternating magnetization force, and for each cycle of EMF a hysteresis loop is traced out. ED current loss, when the flux links with a closed circuit and EMF is induced in the circuit and current flow. The value of the current depends on the amount of EMF around the circuit and the resistance of circuit. Since the core is made of conducting material, these EMF circulating current within the body of the material. These circulating current are called ED current. They will occur with the conductor experience a changing magnetic field, as this current are not responsible for doing any useful work, and its product a losses I square all losses in the magnetic known as ED current loss. The ED current loss is minimized by making the core with thin limitation. Copper loss, the loss occur due to ohmic resistance of the transformer binding. If I1 and I2 are the primary and secondary current, R1 and R2 are the resistance of primary and secondary binding, then the copper loss occur in primary secondary binding will be I1 square and R1, I square and I2 square and R2 square respectively. Stray loss, the occurrence of these stray loss is due to presence of leakage field. The percentage of these losses are very small as compared to the iron and copper loss, so they can be neglected. Dielectric loss, dielectric losses occur in the insulating material of the transformer, that in the oil in the transformer or in the solid insulation. When the oil gets deteriorated or the solid insulation gets damaged, and quality decreases because of the efficiency of transformer gets affected. तो ये आज का हमारा टॉपिक था लॉसेस इन ट्रांसफार्मर. आगे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे, इसके लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. धन्यवाद.